Hello everyone, my name is Prasamsa Shakya. I am a qualified education agent here at Aussizz Group. Today, in this video, I will be giving brief information about TAFE SA. TAFE SA is the South Australian largest vocational education and training provider and one of the largest in Australia. It is also registered as a higher education provider. They have campuses in various locations in Adelaide metropolitan and other regional areas as well. They offer courses which covers more than 80 areas of industry and activity with flexible delivery option that suits the student requirement. And also, the courses are designed to help the student to do the study by combine hands-on practical learning with valuable industry placement. They offer courses for various levels starting from ELICOS course, Cert 3 level, Certificate 4, Diploma, Advanced Diploma, 2 years Associate Degree, 3 years Bachelor's Degree, and package courses Pathway to Universities. The most popular courses among the international students offered by TAFE SA are Nursing, Horticulture, Cookery, Butchery, Food Science and Technology, Building and Construction, Interior Designing, Civil and Structure, Electrical and Electronics, Automotive and ELICOS course. For the entry requirement, it varies from courses to courses. It depends upon what course you choose. In regards to the intake, mostly the intakes of these courses is twice in a year, January or February and July intake. Talking about scholarship, a range of scholarship and grants are available for eligible students to assist with the cost of study, and they also offers an exclusive opportunity to access discounted tuition fees. If you want to enroll in TAFE SA with any courses, keep in touch with us, contact us so that we can assist you to enroll in TAFE SA. You can come and visit any of our Aussizz Group branch for further details. Thank you.